You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A medication name. For more names from medicine and medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. That's the brand name for levocetirizine. Xyzal is how it's pronounced in English, so the X is as often as in xylophone, for example, is not pronounced like an X, so it's not Xyzal or Xyzal. Xy, the Y is pronounced I. Zal, Xyzal. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.